Hello and welcome to E Prime. This evening, I am Daedran. Jordan of Chimney Records is celebrating the overnight success of his 2021 released Styler Style Riddim compilation. The Riddim has a celebrity-filled track list as it features Styler G, Jamil, Javilani, Ding Dong, Conscience, Moyan, Kimar Haikon, The Sauce Boss, Craig Voicemail, Taurus Riley, TJ, and Zaga. Many were first introduced to the Riddim when Shensia posted a clip of herself in the studio laying her track for the single Upset, with a caption, quote, "Y'all really thought I wasn't going to be on this Riddim? Drop it, Jordan." Since the release, there has been much hype about dancehall artist Taurus Riley's track, Easy No, with the visuals for the track capturing perfectly the artist's signature style and flow. Chimney Records' popular aircraft Riddim. Now onto the international scene where the spotlight was on Lady Gaga and Jennifer Lopez as they both delivered powerful performances at the Biden-Harris inauguration at the US Capitol. Gaga had the pleasure of delivering the national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner, while Lopez performed a medley of patriotic songs that included This Land Is Our Land.
For you and me, oh this land, this land was made for you and me.
And this historic moment as young Amanda Gorman delivered her original poem, The Hill We Climb. Gorman, 22, is the youngest known inaugural poet.
We've braved the belly of the beast. We've learned that quiet isn't always peace, and the norms and notions of what just is isn't always just is.
Powerful poetry. Now the celebrations continued into the evening with A-listers filling the gap for the cancelled inaugural ball. We did it, Joe. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.